Welcome to Omega Business Idea. Struggling to grow your business fast? Imagine getting new customers without spending a single dollar on ads. Sounds impossible? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how. Most business owners waste months on strategies that don't work. But what if there was a smarter, faster way to get noticed every single day? The secret isn't expensive ads. It's attention, consistency, and using tools you already have, like WhatsApp and simple daily content that hooks people instantly. Let me show you a quick example. Meet Sarah. She started posting simple tips every day. Within just 30 days, her small shop went from 5 customers a week to fully booked, and she spent almost nothing. Here's the first strategy. Post content every day. Even 5 minutes of consistent, valuable content beats random effort once a month. Share tips, quick ideas, or behind-the-scenes moments. Second, use WhatsApp the smart way. Don't just chat. Build a small broadcast list or group. Share updates, offers, and helpful information. People love staying connected and informed. Third, create curiosity. Ask questions, tease results, show before and after transformations. Curiosity is what makes people stop scrolling and actually pay attention. Here's something powerful. Even a small post can go viral. A short tip, a quick tutorial, or a bold idea. If it solves a real problem, people will share it for you. Now listen carefully. Don't wait for perfect content. Start today. Post one idea, send one update, and let momentum build step by step. Always remember this. Money is not your biggest problem. Attention is. The more value and consistency you give, the faster your business will grow. No matter where you are in the world, this works. Small daily actions lead to big results. Attention is global, and it's completely free. This is Omega Business Idea. Now it's your turn. Take one idea from this video and use it today. And if you want more simple, powerful business strategies, make sure you subscribe. Let's grow together.
Omega Business Idea.